I'm Jack, and today we're going to be making pickled kumquats. Eliza's grandparents have a kumquat tree, and we've been experimenting with fun ways to use them. Here are the ingredients you'll need if you want to make our pickled kumquats. Kumquats, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, 2 cups of sugar, a sharp knife, and an empty jar. This brine recipe will make about 3 jars of pickled kumquats, depending on how tightly you pack your jars and how big your jars are. Start by pouring the vinegar into a pot over a flame. Add the salt and sugar and whisk it together. Bring it to a full boil and make sure the salt and sugar have dissolved. This is your pickling brine. The skin of the kumquat contains an essential oil that is high in limonene. It gives off a fresh, energizing aroma. This little fruit is like an orange, sweet and sour, but with edible skin. Half the kumquats and be sure to remove any large seeds. Place them inside the jar and pour your brine to the top. Your pickled kumquats will be ready to enjoy after 24 hours of curing and will last up to a year. Once they're open, be sure to refrigerate them. Here we enjoyed them on a crostini and goat cheese.